Good morning, students. We are on chapter 2 of part 2, that is accounting for debentures. Today in this lecture we are going to solve sum number 29, which is the last sum given on page number 115. Let us see the sum first. Sum number 29. On 1st January 2014, Rajan Limited issued 8,011% debentures of rupees 100 each. According to terms of issue, the debentures were to be redeemed at 6% premium by giving 6 months notice at any time after 4 years. The redemption of debentures was to be made by cash or by preference share or by new debentures as per the option to be exercised by the debenture holder. On 1st March 2018, the company issued the required notice to debenture holders for the redemption of debentures. The company gave 3 options for the redemption of debentures on 1st March 2018. Amount will be paid in cash. Second, 9% preference share of rupees 100 is issued at rupees 130 per share. And third, new 7% debentures of rupees 100 each will be issued at 96 each. Holder of 3600 debentures accepted new debentures. Holders of 3315 debentures accepted preference shares, and the rest opted for cash. Write necessary journal entries to record the above transaction. So friends, here this sum is about the redemption of debentures by giving something other than cash. This is called redemption of debenture by different consideration. So here friends, to redeem 8,000 debentures, company has given 3 options to the debenture holders. The option number 1 was to be paid in cash, that is usually done by the company. Option number 2, which was given to the debenture holders, is 9% preference shares of rupees 100 each at a price of rupees 130. That means rupees 30 will be premium. And third one is new 7% debentures of rupees 100 each at a price of rupees 96, means rupees 4 will be discount. So out of 8,000 debentures, few will be going for option 1, few will for 2, and remaining for 3. So here 3600 debentures out of 8,000, holders of 36 debentures accepted third option, that is new debentures, and holders of 3315 debentures accepted second option, that is 9% preference shares of 100 each at a price of rupees 130, and remaining 1085. How come 1085? 8,000 minus 3600 minus 3315. So remaining will be 1085. They have opted for cash. Okay. So here we are with the data. How many debenture holders will be given cash, how many will be given preference shares, and how many will be given new debentures. Moreover, preference shares are to be issued at premium, it is already mentioned here, and new debentures are to be issued at discount of rupees 4, that is also mentioned here, and cash will be paid for the remaining. And all these debentures are redeemable at 6% premium. Those 8,000 debentures which we are going to redeem are to be redeemed at 6% premium. And debentures face value was rupees 100, so 6% premium, that is 106 rupees will be paid to them. Okay. So let us start with the redemption procedure, right? Before doing entries for redemption procedure, that means for redemption, here it is asked pass necessary journal entries to record about transaction. So first of all, on 1st January 2014, Razan Limited issued 8,011% debentures of rupees 100 each, which are to be redeemed at 6% premium. So first of all, we will be passing entry for issue, and we know first of all we will get debentures, and then we will get debenture application, and then we will transfer debentures application money to debentures account along with the effect of premium, that is redemption premium. Okay, so let us see the entries. So here the entries are: bank account debit to 11% debentures application and allotment account, 8 lakh 8,000 into 100, so 8 lakh. Being application money received on 8,000 debentures at rupees 100 per debentures. Now friends, this amount is to be transferred to debenture account. So 11% debentures application and allotment account debit to debentures account, and we have to give effect of premium. Which premium? Redemption premium, which is 6 rupees per debenture. So 6 into 8,000, 48,000. The effect will be loss on redemption of debentures account debit to premium on redemption of debentures account. So finally our second entry will be 11% debenture application and allotment account debit, loss on redemption of debentures account debit to 11% debentures account to premium on redemption of debentures account. Being application money transferred to debentures account along with the redemption premium effect. So this was all about some first and second entry for this sum. Now friends, these debentures are redeemed by giving notice on 1st March 2018. The notice period was of 6 months, so redemption procedure will be done after the notice, 6 months of notice. So notice was given on 1/3/2018, so the redemption procedure will be done on 1/9/2018, that is after 6 months of notice. Now first of all, we will give entry to redeem debentures, means debentures amount will be due to debenture holders. So this is the entry: 11% debentures account debit 8 lakh, premium on redemption of debentures account debit 48,000, as we know that, and to debenture holders account 8,48,000, being amount due on 8,000 debentures at 6% premium. Okay friends, so this is and this entry for redemption. Now friends, here 3 options were given to the debenture holders, and few are opted for option 1, few for 2, and remaining for option 3. So first of all, we will calculate who has opted for new 7% debentures, which was option 3. So it is mentioned there that 3,600 debenture holders opted for option 3, that is new 7% debentures. Now friends, new 7% debentures are issued at a price of rupees 96. So debenture holders account we will be debiting and debentures account will be credited. Which debentures? 7% new debentures account will be credited. But we have to find the number of new debentures to be issued, because the issued price is 96. So how to do this calculation? First of all, we will calculate total amount to be payable to them, and we know that amount is payable to them at rupees 106. 100 rupees is the face value of the debentures which are to be redeemed, 11% debentures which are to be redeemed, and 6 rupees is the premium payable on that. So 106 is the total amount payable to them per debentures, and 3600 debenture holders, or you may say holders of 3600 debentures, opted for new 7% debentures. So 3600 into 106 will be the total amount which is payable to them in kind of new 7% debentures. So here it is 3600 into 106, 3,81,600, and the issued price is rupees 96. So 3600 into 106, 3,81,600, and issued price 96. So to find how many new debentures are to be issued, the total payable amount we will have to divide by the issue price. Simple. Total payable amount 381,600 and issued price rupees 96. When we divide 381,600 by 96, we get 3975 debentures. So 3975 new debentures, new 7% debentures will be issued by company for payment of 3600 debenture holders. So here the entry is 11% debenture holders account debit, 3600 into 106. Discount on debentures account debit, how many debentures are to be issued? We have just calculated 3975. So 3975 into 4 rupees is the discount we have seen in the book itself. It is given. And then to 7% new debentures account, 3975 into 100, that comes 3,97,500. Right? We total, if we make total of debit both the amount, it is equal to the credit amount, that is 397500. Okay, being issue of 3975 7% new debentures of rupees 100 each at rupees 96 per debenture to the holders of 3600 debentures. Okay. So this was the entry to give for issue of new debentures against debentures redemption. Now let us move for the another option. Another option, it is mentioned in the book that 3315 holders of 3315 debentures opted for preference shares, and we have seen that preference shares are issued at rupees 130. Its face value is 100 and they are issued at a price of rupees 130. So obviously it suggests that preference shares are issued at a premium of rupees 30. So let us find how many preference shares are to be issued. So here the calculation is, once again 9% preference shares are to be given to the holder of 3315 debentures. So 3315, and we know that they are to be paid at 106 rupees, 100 rupees face value and 6 rupees premium on redemption. So 3315 into 106 comes 351390, 3,51,390, and the issue price is rupees 130. So 3315 into 106, 390 will be divided by 130, that is issued price, and we will get the number of preference share to be issued. So here it is 351390 divided by 130, 2703 shares, that this much shares are to be issued at for the payment of redemption of 3315 debenture holders. Okay, so let us see the entry. Here it is 11% debenture holders account debit, 3315 into 106, that comes 351390, to 9% preference share capital account 2703, we have just calculated into 100. So 270300, and to security premium account 2703 into 30, that comes 81,090. 81090. If we make total of both the credit amount, it is equal to the debit amount. 270,300 plus 81,090 equals to 3,51,390. Okay friends, now let us move to the last option. Last option, the cash payment is done, so no much calculation, only we need to calculate the number of debenture holders who are to be paid in cash. So here it is. Out of 8,000 debenture holders, 3,600 have been paid in debentures and 3,315 are paid preference shares. So the remaining 1,085 will be paid in cash, and they are to be paid at rupees 106 per debenture. So 1,085 into 106 comes to 115010, 1,15,010. So we will pass entry for this payment. We very well know this entry, debenture holders account debit to bank account. So here it is. Debenture holders account debit to bank account being paid to remaining holders of 1,085 debentures, that is 115010. Okay friends, so this was about sum number 29, right? Here our chapter comes to an end. Next lecture we will start with the new chapter.